Hey BBCs, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a day in my life. So what I have planned today is it's my friend's birthday. Anyways, it's my dance friend's birthday dinner tonight. She's turning 17, I'm pretty sure. So I don't know about you bitches on the internet, but the first thing I do is I brush my teeth, wash my face, mouth wash my face. If you guys want to see a skincare routine, please give this video a big thumbs up. So I'll be back in like a few minutes. So now I'm just gonna go downstairs, have some food, clean up my room, like make my bed and all that stuff because it's a hot mess, as you can see in the background. Oh, I don't know what I'm gonna have for breakfast. Probably like bacon. I haven't had a smoothie in a while, so maybe I'll have a smoothie. But we'll see. Is this a freaking apple pie? Oh, I want. I don't know if it's gonna be good though. We'll see. No. Mom!
Hey, Sarina.
Say hi.
Hey.
So I do have all my ingredients. I don't know if this is what I'm gonna eat. And I was gonna have some eggs, but there's already an egg that's boiled for me. Alright, so I'm going to the mailbox to go check if my order is here, and I know like, I look like a mess and you guys are probably like, you're leaving your house like that. Honestly, it's because I don't really care how I live. And like the mailbox is literally like 2 centimeters away from the house. If you guys didn't know, I get all my eyelashes from Wish. The app Wish, I'll leave that link down below. It's a really good app, and I ordered from there, and usually like when I order from there it's pretty good. They said that I would get my eyelashes or like my falsies like on July 18th. Usually it takes like a month to get the eyelashes, but like it's worth it because it's like good prices and everything. So I've been going to the mailbox recently every day to check, and no. I was gonna wash my hair, but too much work, and it's about like 2 o'clock right now, and I'm just not in the mood to wash my hair. But so I think right now what I'm gonna do is I am going to go to Walmart, get her a card, take out some money, go to the bank, get my fake eyelashes, and get her a gift from the mall. Hey mom, say hi to my YouTube video. You're so cute. It's all you. Pay for me. I think it's not for me, but like, but I'm gonna go to the mall, just put a hat on, put some sunglasses on so no one knows how I look like. Probably put a little purse so it makes it look like I'm trying. And my shirt is inside out, which just completes the look. I don't know why I'm putting lotion on my skin if I didn't even take a bath, but you know, we're just going to the mall very quickly. So I just realized this bad boy says Adidas. Looks a little bit cuter. What? Peace out. Bye, Mom! Welcome to my car. Not really my car, but it's my car. Problems of being a short person. I think we're good now. Put that bad boy in there. Get it started. Let's go! Sweat it up a storm. Ah! Jesus, why? Why do I have to make me so sweaty? I guess I'm just gonna drive illegal with my phone in my hand for a little bit until we get to Walmart. Cool. So let's see if I can reverse the car with one hand. Just reverse, make sure there's no one behind us. Okay, we're good. And we're gonna make a slight turn. Turn the steering, keep going. You're behind us. Okay, we're good. Gonna make a turn. Let's hope we don't hit the curb and no police pull us over. Let's jam out to some music while we're here. Ooh. So phenomenally. Don't stop. Yeah. So it turns out I don't have my license on me, so let's go. At Walmart. I don't know what to get this girl for her birthday. I am kind of broke. There's so many options, I can't. I did get my eyelash loop and her gift card, so that was like sweet. So next stop we're going to is the dollar store to get a card because, you know, I'm on the budget. Your girl's going to university. She has no money to spend on herself. So your girl just got back from shopping. She's just gonna clean up her room a little bit. So if you guys do not know, I do have a frontal. So I did kind of wash this frontal, like my actual hair here. Heat protection.
A few moments later.
You haven't?
I show how to network. Netflix and chill, what's your network? Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always. And I'm down for you always. And I'm down for you, down for you,